For this question, we're being asked to reflect across x equals 1. So the first task, of course, is to determine where x equals 1 is. Well, it is pretty easy to find x equaling 1, which is here, right? So this is the x-axis, and 1 is here, right? So that's x equals 1. But as a line, for a line of reflection, we've got to extend that so that it becomes a vertical line, in this case, like this, running through x equals 1, like this. So this now becomes our line of reflection, this green line right here that I've just drawn. And now we just go back to how we always do it, which is by counting to the line of reflection and then beyond it the same number of steps. So if we want to reflect point A, how many steps is it to the line of reflection? So it's 1, and it's 1 because when I get there, I am going there and intersecting with the line of reflection at 90 degrees. So that's one step, and then I do the same past it, so here. So that is going to be a dash right there at 0, 4. I do the same down here, so let's have a go. So C is one step, so beyond it will be the next step, and again, this here becomes C dash. It's the image of C, and then for B, just do the same process, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so I know that right here is going to be B dash. After that, I get my ruler and I draw a lovely straight line connecting those points that I've just plotted like this, and I now have A dash, B dash, C dash, and I've reflected triangle ABC in the line of reflection x equals